Okay, I'm going to do 3 examples with you, and then you're going to do the assignment that's in Schoology for dividing polynomials today. Letter A, you're dividing by 2 things, so that's going to be a 2 by 2 box. So this goes on the outside, x minus 2, and the trinomial goes on the inside, so the x squared goes first, and the minus 16 goes last. And remember that this diagonal at the very end is supposed to equal to that when you add it. So we start dividing. X squared divided by x is what? Just 1x. So x times x is x squared. And then negative 16 divided by negative 2. Put that in the calculator. Negative 16 divided by negative 2 is a positive 8. Okay, so that will be your answer. If you finish the problem off, x times 8 is positive 8x, and x times negative 2 is a negative 2x. And when you add those two, it gives you that positive 6. Okay, but your answer is x plus 8. Problem number 2, same thing. You're dividing by 2 things, so it's a 2 by 2 box. 3x plus 5 goes on the outside. And inside I have 6x squared in the front, minus 5 at the end. And when you add these two, it should give you that 7x. Okay, so we start dividing. What's 6 divided by 2? 6 divided by 3? 2. And then x squared divided by x is x. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Then we're going to divide the negative 5 divided by 5. In the calculator, that gives you a negative 1. So this is my final answer. Let's check it. When you multiply 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. And when you multiply 2x times 5 is a positive 10x. When you add those two, it gives you a positive 7. Check. So this is my answer. And then the last one. You're dividing by 2 things. So again, it's a 2 by 2 box. Y minus 2 goes on the outside. On the inside, we have 5y squared and negative 2. Got those from there. So we start dividing. 5 divided by 1 is 5, and y squared divided by y is y. 5 times 1 is 5, y times y is y squared. And then negative 2 divided by negative 2, positive 1. So that's your answer.